the rest of the world. These days you've got Telis. Telis implement a little bit of software-defined radio, even the common AM, FM radios we use. So around 2001, there's a group of people who came together. I know of one of the founders, somebody called Eric Blossom. I don't know whether anyone of you has heard about him. He was given a donation to design a bot that could be used to implement software-defined radio for hobbyists at that point in time. In fact, it's still a hobbyist thing, the new radio. So what he did, he designed the bot that's called the USRP. USRP stands for Universal Software Radio Peripheral. Costs about $750. It's one board. Then it's got things called daughter boards that you place on top. That cost about $75 each. The daughter boards are to help you capture specific frequency bands. Maybe if you're dealing with